Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by parking the 2008 Toyota Tundra on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes to allow capacitors and the ECU to discharge. Gather tools, 10 mm, 12 mm, and 14 mm sockets, a ratchet with a 6-inch extension, torque wrench, pliers, and a floor jack with stands rated for your truck. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep a drain pan and flashlight handy before lifting the vehicle. Raise the front or passenger side of the Tundra with a floor jack and secure it on stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Locate the starter near the bell housing and clean around it to avoid contamination. Label and disconnect wiring. Remove the 12 mm nut holding the main battery feed and the 10 mm fastener or clip for the solenoid signal wire. Support the starter and remove the two mounting bolts, commonly 14 mm and 12 mm. Then carefully extract the starter from the transmission housing. Position the replacement starter into the bell housing, align the dowel pins, and hand start the mounting bolts to prevent cross-threading. Tighten the bolts evenly with a torque wrench to the factory specification, then reconnect the main 12 mm battery feed and the 10 mm solenoid signal securely. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, lower the truck, and attempt to start the engine. Normal cranking should begin within 3 seconds. If you hear grinding, excessive noise, or see starter draw over 150 amps,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.